What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JB23 vlog. So for today's video guys, I would like to share on how to use the hydraulic jack guys. So as you can see guys, we installed the cylinder head, and at this moment we are tightening now the cylinder head. So for tightening guys, the hydraulic jack must be in fully tightened position, and the important thing here guys is it should be bleeded, that the jack is properly seated guys, and the jack itself has no bubbles or any air pockets. It must be properly bleeded guys. As you can see, we just bleed it through the hydraulic hose. So for tightening guys, no need to turn it back, and just for this kind of engine, for the generator engine guys, no need to turn it back. Just be sure that the hydraulic jack is fully seated. So as you can see guys, this is the hydraulic jack. We are tightening by, we are using this type of hydraulic jack, that's hand pump. So for tightening the cylinder cover guys, this is 589 bar. So just slowly pump it up to the specific tightening torque, the hydraulic tightening guys. So before we carry out this kind of job guys, we read manual instructions and follow all the instruction as per instruction manual guys. So this is 598, just like that guys, to tighten 598. And as you can see, this hydraulic jack is already, now it's already tight. So just tight the hole in the cylinder cover nuts, just fully seated guys. No need to hammer, no need to do anything, just tight it by hand, because this is hydraulic jack. One common mistake guys is to use hammer. It will be very difficult to remove or dismantling, so just don't use any hammer guys for tightening. As I say again, you must read the instruction manuals based on the maker of the generator guys. Now this other side is tightened also, and you have to compare it also guys with the other cylinder cover, the high. So when releasing pressure guys, be sure to make it very slow guys, to avoid any back pressure for safety reason guys. So until here, I hope you learned something about this video guys. This is JB23 vlog. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye.